Let's see how view feature works. So that this is the table of orders, and we have default filters, default columns, and I can change some filters and apply some filters. So let's say statuses, and then I will change the order of columns. I can add another column like this, for example, and then I can change the source of creation date. And now I'm going to save this changes, save this view as a new one. So I click on save as, and let's call it active orders. Now a new view has been added here. If I need another one, I can add another, let's say custom. And now you can actually edit the current filters as well. So I can see what filters apply for this view. And let's remove one of the statuses, and I can save it. So another thing that has been added is the search. So you can search based on code or reference ID. So these views are saved per user, per dispatcher user. Any user can have its own views and can manage orders much more easier and more efficiently. Thank you.